Welcome to Spicy Sweet and Me. I'm going to show you how to make raita today. This is a very traditional yogurt condiment that we would use with a rice dish or even a curry. It is a little bit spicy, so you can lessen the spice by adding less green chilies. So what I've done here is I've prepared some green chilies and coriander with some water, and I've just mixed it into a liquid like a dressing. I've got some garlic here. There's some crushed cumin, some salt, yogurt, a little bit more coriander, and some chopped up cucumber. So what you're gonna do to make this is put in about, I would say, 1 cup of yogurt. You're gonna just make it so that it's completely mixed. And once you see a really nice creamy consistent to your yogurt, what you're going to do is you're going to add the cumin. Now, if you don't have crushed cumin, you can actually just use the whole cumin, or you can just crunch it a little bit with a rolling pin. If you were to use a paper towel, you can get it so that it's a little bit crushed. The only reason is because the aroma comes out when it is. So what you want to do is you want to add about half a teaspoon in here. You're going to put all of your cucumber in there. Now, when I cut my cucumber, I leave a little bit of the skin on just because it's a nice color to have a little bit of the darker green on the cucumber. So I just leave a few strips. And then you can add a bit of coriander. It depends if you like it. Some people don't like a lot of coriander. And there's also coriander in the mixture here, so you know, you can kind of alter that depending on your own taste. Now there's 3 green chilies in here, so I'm not going to put all of this. I would use this for my other dishes, so I would just keep that aside and keep it in the fridge. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to mix it so it's going to have this nice green color. And just at the end I add the salt, and this is to taste. So for me, I like it salty, so I would say about a teaspoon, but you can definitely, you know, taste it, and if you need more, then add more. Maybe start with about half a teaspoon, and you're just going to mix it up, and you can see the beautiful light green minty color, and it's ready to serve. So I hope you enjoy, and stay tuned for my next video. Please like or subscribe and have the notification on so you'll know when my next recipe's up. Wishing you a wonderful day. I'll see you soon.